Quezon City's premier urban forest has officially expanded its footprint to offer the public a larger sanctuary. Mobile journalist Ivan Terinque with this report.
Feel at one with nature when you visit the newly opened Phase 2 of La Mesa Eco Park in Quezon City. The amphitheater, expanded picnic areas, rehabilitated lagoons, new pavilions, and the flower hill overlooking La Mesa Dam are now open to visitors. According to the park management, the expansion aims to provide the public with more space for recreation while promoting a greater appreciation of nature.
Ang layunin nito ay mabigyan ng publiko ng mas maraming espasyo para sa recreation, wellness, environmental appreciation habang nananatiling konektado sa kalikasan.
Meanwhile, a 50 pesos entrance fee has also been implemented for non-Quezon City residents, up from the previous 20 pesos, while admission remains free for Quezon City residents with QCID. Park officials said the 50 peso fee was reinstated because a larger portion of the Eco Park is now open and requires more maintenance. The additional revenue will help fund security, conservation efforts, and the continued improvement of La Mesa Eco Park. Some visitors say the fee increase is reasonable if it helps improve the park's maintenance and conservation, especially since they no longer have to travel far to enjoy a green open space.
Masaya. Kasi malapit lang po kami, walking distance lang po eh. Kaysa pupunta po kami sa ibang lugar, dito na lang po kami.
Park officials expect the number of monthly visitors to nearly double with the opening of Phase 2, while daily visitors will be capped at 3,000 to help protect the La Mesa watershed. Visitors are also reminded to avoid loud noises and refrain from collecting plants to help preserve the park's natural environment.
Please, ang La Mesa Eco Park po is a natural park. So sana po wala po masyadong malalakas na ingay. Sana po pagpunta natin dito, enjoy natin ang kalikasan, ang tunog ng mga ibon para hindi ito masira.
Kapatid Mobile Journey Ivan Tarinque, we are One News.